Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a golf glove. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a mild soap, a soft cloth, and a clean towel. Before you begin, always check your glove's material for any specific care instructions from the manufacturer. Then, gently brush off any loose dirt or debris from the glove's surface to prepare it for washing. This initial step helps ensure a more effective and thorough cleaning process. Now it's time to wash your glove. Use cool water and a small amount of mild soap, like baby shampoo, to gently hand wash the glove. Focus on soiled areas, rubbing them softly with your fingers or a soft cloth. Avoid any harsh scrubbing, as this can damage the material. Once clean, rinse the glove thoroughly under cool, running water until all soap residue is completely gone. After washing, gently pat the glove dry with a clean towel to remove as much excess water as possible. Do not wring or twist the glove, as this can distort its shape. Allow the glove to air dry completely by laying it flat or hanging it, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. While it's still slightly damp, gently reshape the glove to help it retain its original form and fit. To keep your golf glove in top condition, always store it flat or on a glove shaper when not in use. This prevents creases and helps maintain its shape. Regular cleaning, perhaps every 5 to 10 rounds, will significantly extend its lifespan and keep it feeling fresh. Remember, a well-maintained glove performs better and lasts longer. Also, for an even easier cleanup at home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.